July 27th, Big Feat. The Bible reading is from Joshua chapter 1, verse 9. Verse for today. The Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua chapter 1, verse 9. My friend Tim Stephens, a policeman, is a large right down to his feet. His big feet take him into many dangerous situations. But Tim is not afraid because he knows that God is always with him. Joshua also needed big feet, in quotations, for the job God called him to do, to replace Moses as leader of the Israelites and to conquer Canaan. The Lord told him, "Every place that the sole of your foot shall tread upon, that have I given unto you." Joshua chapter 1, verse 3. But God didn't expect Joshua to do the job by himself. He promised to be with him. See verse 5 and 9. The Lord has a special purpose for your life. Although you may not know what it is just now, He will reveal it to you at the right time. And when He does, don't be afraid. Remember, God will make you big, in quotations, enough for the task. Amen.